cold and gloomy day, but yeah, I'm gonna go out now and Hey guys, so I'm back outdoors right now. Yeah, we still have 5 kilometer limit and we're on lockdown still. So yeah, it sucks, but I just can't take it. I'm just sitting at home trying to do my assessments and I can't do anything. I can't write anything, so I just need to go out. And I realized that there's a bike path here or something. We can just go, and yeah, I'm on my skateboard right now. I'm not exercising really because I'm too lazy to walk, but yeah, I'm just cruising around. That's a train track, by the way. I'm going the other way around, so yep. Also, I'm having a lot of creativity block right now, so I'm not able to make anything out of anything. I'm not able to write my assessment. I'm not even able to film myself. Like I usually find it easy to film myself and just do vlogs, but right now, yeah, I'm not into it. So yeah, should go outside. You know, this place here is good for skateboarding. But yeah, the ground's really good, and I'm feeling a bit better now. And when I get home, I'm gonna be back. Okay, I've switched to S-Log 3, and this is 8-bit, so it doesn't have any good colors on it. So the reason I'm filming now is that yeah, I really want to make new vlogs, good videos and everything else, but right now I'm not feeling it. I'm not getting into a lot of thoughts on what I'm gonna do. So yeah, it's been a hard time for me creating vlogs and doing everything else. So that's the reason I'm going out now, is because I want to refresh everything and I want to try out new things. And I don't know why I'm talking. I'm just, yeah, I want to make good videos. I want to make awesome content. But the thing is, every time I go and pick up my camera, I'm so depressed. And yeah, I have a lot of things in my mind. I need to do a lot of things for school, for uni. And then at the same time, also I just hating this lockdown that we have. But we have no choice. I'm not saying it's not right, but yeah, I'm just hating things. And yeah, I just realized that all my videos are so depressing. Me ranting, me having a lot of problems, like not problems, but me just not feeling it. Like every time I say, oh, it's locked down again. So it's not creating this good vibes that I wanted. Yeah. Well, that's cool. I'm around 2 kilometers. I'm near Furniture Gully Station. That was quick. I could have walked this. Would have been nice. Maybe I'll walk this one of these days. 2 kilometer walk, then come back. That should be fine. Yeah, I'll try it one of these days. Okay, so I've been switching profiles here and there, and been trying to film, but yeah, I'm a bit confused of what to film. Hey man, that skateboarder got me. So back to what I was telling. So yeah, it come to my attention that I'm listening to all my vlogs and everything else, and I can hear myself ranting and all those negative stuffs for the vlog, and I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate part of the vlog. Like I'm going to separate my daily rants, daily depressing vlogs, and put them on another another playlist. So a lot of my vlogs lately has been very depressing because we're on lockdown right now, and I've lost a lot of jobs, photo and video jobs. At the same time also, we're not allowed to go out. I'm not able to travel. We haven't been traveling for a while, and you know, travel is the only thing that makes me feel good these days. I'm trying to get my camera to get me out there and just try to do a good video. That way it would make me feel good. But yeah, what happens is that I end up making these depressing vlogs, and I don't like it. So for this case, since I still want to do vlogs, because these are my diary. So this is the thing I'll look into years after, and I'm like, oh, this was the time I was so depressed and everything else. But I don't want to share it to a lot of people because yeah, it's not nice to see. It's for me, it's good for memories, but for others, it's not. So in saying that, just decided that I'm still gonna go ahead and make the vlogs that I wanted to, like the depressing, the happy, and everything else. But I'm gonna put them on a playlist, and the playlist is gonna be unlisted. But you can see it. If you can find the playlist, then you would know. But if hey. So yeah, if you can find a playlist, it's okay. But if you can't find a playlist, then you won't find it. Okay, I hope you guys got my point, what I'm trying to say right now, because I'm busy trying to focus on the skateboarding part, because it's been a while I've been skateboarding, and I'm also trying to focus on what to say, and at the same time, my stressful head is just going haywire. But yeah, it's nice to be outside. It's getting warmer by the day, but yeah. Okay, one thing that I'm really afraid of is that the audio is under my shirt and it's been moving around. I don't know if it's gonna sound nice or crappy. We'll see when I get home. I don't know where I'm at right now, but yeah, I'm enjoying this, man. I'm enjoying this ride. I think I'm going further than anyway, we'll see how this goes. And I'm nearly out of batteries for my board, so I need to get home because it's gonna suck if I'm gonna run out of batteries here. I'm gonna walk all the way there. So yeah, I can see Baronia Road there, so I should be around there, near. Yeah, I'm here at the park right now, just resting. My place is near there, and yeah, battery's nearly gone. So that's it. Yeah, that's the point of this vlog here.